In today's video, I'm going to teach you create filling text animation in Canva. Open Canva and start with any template size that fits your project, like a social post or a video canvas. The exact size doesn't change the technique. Once you're in, change the background color to something that contrasts well with your text. A strong contrast makes the filling effect stand out, so think light text on a dark background or the reverse. Next, head to the text panel and add a heading. Type in your phrase. Short, bold phrases work best for this effect because they read clearly and feel more impactful. Now, change the font to something thick and easy to read. I'm using Anton because it's bold and blocky, which helps the effect look clean and intentional. After that, set your text color. Pick the final color you want your text to fill with. You'll use the same color on both pages to keep the transition seamless. With your text selected, click Effects and choose Hollow. This turns your text into an outline. Adjust the thickness slider so the outline is visible but not too heavy, enough to frame the letters clearly without overpowering the design. Resize the text so it becomes the focal point and reposition it to where you want it to sit in the final design, usually centered. Keeping alignment consistent now will save you time later. Duplicate the page so you have two identical copies. On the second page, remove the text effect. Go back to Effects and click None. This brings the text back to a solid fill in the exact same position and color. That consistency between pages is what creates the illusion of the letters filling up. Now, add the transition that ties everything together. Between the two pages, click Add Transition, then choose Line Wipe. This transition reveals the next page behind a moving line, which makes the outline text appear to fill as the wipe passes. Adjust the direction to match how you want the fill to move. Left to right is a classic choice, but top to bottom can be striking too. Set the duration to control the speed. Around 1 to 2 seconds feels smooth and readable, but you can go slower if you want a more dramatic build. Finally, click Preview to watch it play. If the timing feels off, tweak the direction or duration until the fill looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You've created a filling text animation in Canva that's simple, bold, and ready to use in your next post or video.